Did you know that the family is the most basic, most important, most sacred unit of our government? It is in the family that we learn our core values. It is at home that we learn to obey the law or not obey the law. It is at home that we learn what responsibility is. It is at home that those values are instilled in us. The Bible speaks to the family in the Ten Commandments, and it says, children, honor your parents, that your days may be long in the land I am giving you. Today, I want to tell you that commandment is not for us as parents to hold over our children to get them to obey us. That commandment is for all of us, adults and children alike, because all of us have parents. And the word honor in the Hebrew doesn't simply mean obey. It means to show respect for. It means to give attention to. As your parents age, you may not live in their house and feel you have to obey them, but you are still called to honor them, to show respect for and give attention to take care of them like they once took care of you. Today, honor God by choosing to honor your parents.